If you're looking for an easy way to send personalized video messages after a form submission, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes. Whether you're following up with leads or adding a personal touch to customer communication, this is an effective way to stand out. Stick around until the end because I'll also be sharing a free trial to the software we'll use to make this happen. First things first, sending personalized video messages after form submission is an excellent way to create a more engaging and personal experience for your users. It shows that you care and provides immediate value to your leads or customers. You've probably already seen how automated responses can sometimes feel cold or impersonal, and that's where video messages come in. Now, let's dive into the setup. We'll be using a software that integrates seamlessly with your forms. After someone submits their information, the software triggers a video message that's personalized just for them. This could be anything from thanking them for signing up to answering their specific question based on the form's data. So step 1 is to choose a software. There are a lot of options out there, but after testing many of the most popular ones, I've found this software to be the best at what it does. It's easy to integrate with most form tools, and it also allows you to record or upload videos that you can personalize on the fly. What's even better is it offers analytics so you can track how your videos are performing. Once you've signed up and logged into the software, the first thing you need to do is connect it to your form. Most forms you use on websites like Wix, WordPress, or Shopify should work fine, but check to make sure your software of choice supports it. For this software, simply go into your settings, click on integrations, and connect your form tool to the software. That's the easy part. Next, create your video template. You can either record a brand new video every time or set up a dynamic message that includes placeholders for the form data, like a person's name or specific details they provided. This software lets you customize the message for each user, ensuring it feels personalized. Once your video is ready and your form is connected, you'll need to set up the trigger. That means after someone submits the form, the software automatically sends them the personalized video you created. This part is mostly automated, but you can tweak the timing to fit your needs, like sending it instantly or delaying it for a few hours. Now here's where it gets even cooler. Once your video is sent, the software provides detailed analytics. You'll be able to see who watched the video, how much of it they watched, and if they took any action, like clicking a link or visiting your website. This is incredibly valuable for understanding your audience and improving your outreach strategy. Before we wrap up, a key takeaway here is that sending personalized video messages after form submission is a simple but powerful way to connect with your leads and clients. By using the right software, you can make this process automatic and even track how well your videos are performing. To recap, choose the right software, integrate it with your form tool, create your personalized video message, set up the trigger to send the message automatically, and then use the analytics to measure the results. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only to my viewers, so make sure you check it out if you want to follow along and make this process super easy for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.